How do you go from academics to the real world? Huge leap, right? Lots of things that you don't even know you're going to be doing yet. So feel free to pick up my book. I've made it accessible in most countries. You're in India. I'm priced less than 500 rupees in India, which I've been told is an accessible price point. So feel free to read my book. You might not even like data science. Who's to say you're going to like it, right? Rahul says, you ruined my Joe Rogan podcast. Which one? Are you talking about the Elon Musk episode? Help me understand what you mean. I'm curious. That's an interesting comment. But should we be listening to Joe Rogan? Let's keep this professional. Deadlord, our good friend Deadlord says, hi Dennis. Hey Deadlord, good to see you. Ashish, let us know where you're from. I haven't seen you in a while. I can't remember where you're from. I'll come back to your question. So coming back to data structures, I just started my CS degree, and I don't know if I must master data structures before jumping into AI. I see data structures as a core of computer science. Okay. Are you asking this because you saw this online, or are you asking it as your own determination? Let me know. Okay. Leo says, Dennis, it would be fun comparing the coding abilities on LLMs. They say Claude is good. I didn't like it, to be honest, but you doing a review would be fun. Yeah, that could be fun. That could be fun. I have other ideas for things that I want to benchmark. I think there's a lot more interesting benchmarks out there. You know, again, kind of thinking about helping people learn data science. That would be an interesting benchmark. I think I just have bigger fish to fry, but I'll think about that, Leo. It's not a bad suggestion. Now, having said that, I did spend some time on Twitter yesterday. Excuse me, sorry. And excuse me. I guess the latest reviews are that the latest version of Claude 3.5 is not so great. I think that was recently released, and some people are having issues with it. Like, you know, some people are saying that there's a degradation in the quality, which could certainly happen, by the way, right? Just because it's a newer iteration doesn't mean it's good. You know, AI does have those faults, right? So yeah, I mean, it would be interesting to do those comparisons, but I think some of them still need to mature, right? I mean, I've heard different things about the quality of the latest Claude.